Be it for budget constraints or complete creative freedom, investing in pigments is an incredibly smart thing to do. That's because these pigments are super versatile, like I'll be showing you in this video. But they can literally replace every other makeup product that you'd otherwise individually splurge on. So let's jump right into it. Loose pigments work great as eyeshadows. They can be used wet or dry depending upon what consistency you are going for. You can use a flat shadow brush to pack on the dry pigment onto the eyelids and in the inner corner for that extra highlight. If you want to enhance the color of the pigment and make it look more opaque, then using it wet would give you the desired result. Take a plate or palette and pour some of the loose pigment onto it. Add a few drops of a mixing medium like Duraline, which will change the consistency of the powder to that of a liquid. You can use this mixture all over the lid for a dramatic effect. Instead of spending money on a new metallic lipstick, just use a loose pigment with any old matte lipstick. To do so, first, start by applying your lipstick as a base color. Mix your loose pigment with a generous amount of Vaseline and then using a synthetic brush, pack the mixture onto your lips. Loose pigments can also be used as face illuminators just by mixing them in with your foundation. On your mixing palette, take a pump or two of your favorite liquid foundation. Add a dollop of the loose pigment and mix it in well. Apply it on your face as you normally would with a sponge or brush. This will not only give you the desired coverage, but also add a subtle glow to your skin, making it look more radiant and fresh. Use a tan, bronze or gold pigment to give your body that sexy glow. Take a generous amount of moisturizer onto your plate and add your loose pigment to it. Mix it in till you achieve a smooth texture. Then, using a large stippling brush or your hands, massage it onto your body. Metallic nails are all the rage right now. And guess what? Loose pigments to the rescue yet again. On a glass plate, pour out a good amount of the clear polish and top it up with the dusting of the loose pigment. Mix it in together and using a nail brush, apply it onto your nails as you would a normal nail polish. If the mixture thickens, add more polish to bring back your desired consistency. If you wish, go in with a second layer of your mixture to make the polish more opaque, and you'll have beautiful metallic nails for days. You don't need too many shades, but ideally shades like gold and copper are the most versatile. I love to experiment, so I've collected quite a few over the years. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.